With over a foot of snow in the forecast for parts of western South Dakota, communities are preparing for another big snowstorm. KELOLAND's Sydney Thorson talks to street crews and local businesses in Deadwood to see how they're preparing.
It's looking like the calm before the storm here in Deadwood as another potential winter storm is in the forecast. The Deadwood Street Department is gearing up by securing chains on the snow equipment, cleaning the plows, and resting up before heading out.
Well, our equipment has been ready all winter, but we're making sure the chains are tight, full of fuel. Everything's pretty much ready.
Some businesses like the Deadwood Mountain Grand allow staff to stay on site if they are concerned with the weather conditions.
I just think as a community as a whole, everybody kind of just comes together and preps for it. We already know that maybe the city of Deadwood might ask for an extra couple of rooms, or the police might ask for an extra couple of rooms, and it's a warm, safe place for them, and we've got food for them and shelter. And as far as the property goes, our facilities team is usually really good at being on hand right away to clear the snow and move it as quickly as they can.
In the meantime, people in the community can get supplies before the snow hits. That means groceries, medications, baby supplies, and anything else you might need for a couple days.
Just to try to get their cars off the streets and give us plenty of room.
Bring on the snow.
In Deadwood, Sydney Thorson, KELOLAND News.
The mayor of Deadwood urges the public to pay attention to weather updates and be patient with crews as the storm passes. The South Dakota Department of Transportation